promises we've made, from the cradle to the grave, when all I wanted is you. You say you'll give me a highway with no one on it, treasure just to look upon it, all the riches in the night. You say you'll give me eyes in a moon of blindness, a river in a time of dryness, a harbor in the tempest, but all the promises we've made, from the cradle to the grave, when all I need is you. You say you want your love to work out right, to last with me through the night. You say you want diamonds and a ring of gold, your story to remain untold, your love not to grow old, but all the promises